Omega Shenron. So I forgot this guy even existed. This is from GT, isn't it? So let's draw this landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause, ever go too fast. His head's kind of small, right? Big muscle, big shoulders, right? So we'll zoom into the head. Movie magic. Start with eyebrows. So, well, no eyebrows, sort of shaved brow. So we go with a check mark kind of tick sort of shape. Curved a bit, like so. We can see like the brow sort of side there. It's like Super Saiyan 3 sort of eyes. And the same on the other side. And he has like some frowning lines like so. So angry owled eyes. So we do standard Dragon Ball shape. So you do a small line here and a longer diagonal line there, and you carve it together. Right, do the same on this side. And then looking up, sort of intense red eyes. Like so. These some lines around his eyes actually in the corner, sort of here. Not sure. And then they have those cheek lines like that. His nose is different to like Goku's and stuff, so like there's like a little bit of a frowning section there. But then it just looks like a normal nose. You rarely see normal noses in Dragon Ball. Like that sort of. So he's got sort of whiskers coming down from just the corners of his nose, just beside, like he's got these little spikes. Okay. And then he's got like a big crazy, I wouldn't call it a smile, but maybe. So like, kind of like his teeth kind of. You can see like the top of it on this side. And then it goes like down under his nose. So it goes like right across the bottom of the nose here and up the other side. Let's see, like a cheek line or something there. And we got like big sharp fangs, like some of his teeth coming across here, like a big sharp fang. Make that one bigger. A bit of a thick line. I just thin that. Right, so he's got like some mouth lines and stuff just down here, like real exaggerated sort of features. So he's got like a massive jaw as well, and with spikes on it. Right, so he's got like, say, a spike here, like a little V, right? Like a beard kind of, but it's a spike, and it's carved on top. And then it seems to have another little piece of carved skin around it. Right, and then, so then like his chin kind of goes this way. Then we got another spike. there. Another one here. And inside of his face, up this way, real long face. He's got like high cheekbones in there. So he's got real pointy ears, right, just coming out from, say, here, like crazy elf ears. Just coming into the cheekbone area there. Same on this side, pretty much. And then ear lines inside. Right, and then, so the top of the skin of his head, and then he's got these purple edges on it. So like skin of his head is like here. It's got like white skin and then like purple skin. So it's kind of different. Right, and then coming up, we go up for the spikes. So say like he's got devil horns kind of thing. To there, and then it like goes back down towards the middle. Okay, and he seems to have like a purple line. Like here's like, that's like purple. And same on this side, right? And down. He kind of meets in the middle here. We'll do that purple line here as well. Then he has sort of curving lines coming over this. And it just makes them look like round sort of objects, really. Right? And that's his head. So, anatomy now. Crazy muscles. So, starting at his ear, we get his neck on this side. And his ear on the other side. And then there's like different sections to this. So we got like a blue or purple sort of color here. Blue in there, right? Like white. We call it armor or bones or something. But this is white in here. And then his like the center line for his chest is like here. So his body's kind of turned away. It's not like right in the middle. Top of the chest muscle goes that way. Top of the chest muscle comes down this way. And then down around. Big square. Dragon Ball shoulders, or chest muscles, should I say. And then another neck muscle here, another purple section there. And then his neck on this side. So he's got like, he's armored. So go this way, right? For his shoulder. But it's like his shoulder has like a shell or something on it. So it's like a little bumpy bit. There. Same on this side. This one's kind of higher up or something. Oh, where does that go? There. And then it comes back down to his chest. So it like connects with his chest muscle. There. Okay, so that's like his chest plate connecting with the shoulder, and then shoulder muscles themselves. So like, and big spikes. Maybe we'll do his ribs, right? We'll just go down here. It's kind of bumpy. Let's get maybe his side body in first. And then here, his bicep covers a bit of it, but we'll go like that. Yeah, and then we'll go across. It's got a V sort of in the middle, just underneath the center of the chest. And it goes down that way. And then another armored plate there. And then like there's a couple of abs here. Side body there. So we do the dragon balls. So circles, just purple sort of jewels. 2 on his chest, 3 along the diaphragm. Another one should be there, another one here. Like that, right? Okay, so now we got to deal with these big shoulder muscles, right? Shoulder there. That sort of bicep, tricep, so extra sort of lines inside. And then his forearm goes that way. And these spikes and stuff, well, I have to draw this spike first actually, because it's on top of the shoulder line. Okay, so like that, and then his shoulder. And then his bicep. He's got like folds of skin. Another sort of line in here. Tricep. Going that way. And forearm. Right, so we gotta add some spikes to this guy now. So there's another one here. And another one coming out from how big is that? Goes a bit bigger. And then one back here, I think. Maybe one going that way. All right. Omega Shenron from Dragon Ball. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.